times have changed. When I did my master's and I went into industry, the expectation was that you should be smart enough, you should be a good learner, and you should be able to learn because they expected me to take some time, learn the processes, and start performing. But today, industry wants you to be ready. From day one, you are delivering. So you don't have the luxury of spending time and learning things. All right. So what the professor expects from you when you are entering the class, that definitely here you have a time for learning. So we expect that you should have an open mind. You should be ready to accept facts. You should be ready to accept your weaknesses because unless and until we work on your weaknesses and convert them into strength, you will not be able to perform in the industry. So you have to be a good learner with an open mind. You should not be closed that, oh, I can't do this. You should be ready to learn anything, whatever is taught to you, whatever is given to you. So that's the most important thing which a professor expects from the student.